done. 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? So we're making a YouTube video about donuts.
Donuts. What we got here is a Dunkin Donut
Hack.
do-it-yourself kit, I guess.
Yeah, just do it yourself.
Asher's grandparents brought over. They brought over a kit for us. Show them what you can put on it. Show them your
rainbow sprinkles.
We got some heart candies.
Like
chocolate sprinkles.
Like we got the icing of vanilla, chocolate.
And what's that one?
Strawberries.
Strawberries, that's right. So
and we have to spread it on the donuts with ours.
So we got 4 donuts, right?
Yes, we do.
So first thing we're gonna do
the icing
is we're gonna use our knife and we'll pick the icing and we'll spread it on the donuts.
It's very sharp. And
I could eat these donuts.
No, they're plain donuts.
I'm gonna do like a Valentine's one. I'm gonna use the strawberry.
Hey. Yeah, they are Valentine's sprinkles. I'm making my chocolate donut.
You don't know me. You don't know me and my sprinkles.
Hey, I'm doing chocolate sprinkles. Don't mind me.
Yeah. Now.
You just put it on the knife.
Yeah.
All you do is just put it on the knife.
Like this. You hold it like this. Stick your knife in and scoop you some out. Or you just do that. Yeah. Look at this.
Spreading this out. Whoa.
Spread it out. You know what? I like a lot of icing on mine.
You do?
I sure do.
I only like a little bit of icing on mine.
Here we go. Boom, boom, bop. And I got icing on my donut. Look at that. Hey, what are you doing?
Let's talk on my knife.
Yeah, I'm totally doing that.
Oh, it's so good.
So good.
Watch out. Your knife is sharper than mine.
Your knife is sharper than mine. For my next one.
Oh yeah, mine.
You don't even have all your icing on.
I can use the rest of it.
I'm gonna do a little bit of strawberry.
Are you sure you can do a little bit of strawberry and a little bit of chocolate? Wait.
And I'm gonna put some of the other one on there too, whatever that is.
It is vanilla.
It is?
Yes, it is.
You're vanilla.
I can put 2 of stuff on there.
Yeah, you got 2 donuts to decorate.
We all have 2 donuts to decorate.
Yeah. You want this one? Ooh, this is regular icing. Look. Oh man. Give me some of this. Look at this. Blah.
That's huge.
Blah. This is a huge thing of icing.
I'm done with the whole icing thing.
You are? You got another donut to ice.
No. Are we on to the second part, sprinkles? No.
Let's get all the icing on and then we'll decorate.
Then we'll decorate sprinkles.
That's right.
This is a short video. That's what you know.
Is it? That's all right.
It will probably. No, I'm not.
What? You know you want to touch it. You're supposed to use your tongue. Will you poop on your hand?
I don't know what I poop.
Give me this chocolate.
It's stuck on there.
It is stuck on there. Look. There we go. Ready?
Hey, are you doing your?
Yes, I got mine. Look. Boom.
I I was about to do that one
Go ahead.
with chocolate.
Oh.
Actually, no.
Oh, look at this one.
I can't believe I did that to myself.
All right. It's more calories than I've had all week.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
I don't have a napkin. I was about to say we didn't have napkins, so.
Yep. Till we come out of nowhere with napkins.
Ugh.
All right.
Yeah, big clump of
Step
napkins.
1. Put a bunch of icing on.
We have not finished that because of me.
What about this one?
No.
Which one? You want some purple or pink?
This pink goes with our icing.
Yep. You're doing a really good job. We'll have to send pictures to your mama and papa. Keep going. Hey, focus. Focus. You're making a video.
How long is this video going to take?
I don't know.
Do mine because I can't do it.
You can too. You want to go to the next step while I finish yours?
Yes.
Go for it.
Okay, I'm just going to finish my donut with...
You got all kinds of sprinkles.
I'm going to use all 3 of these sprinkles.
You are.
I'm going to call this a rainbow donut.
A rainbow donut? Awesome. What are we doing? What do you want on the other side of that? You want chocolate?
Gosh. It's a chocolate with that.
Mr. Chocolatey.
At least not stuck on this because...
Right? You totally fixed it. Here we go. Boom. Bam. Oh. How do you not eat these things? You know it? Is that like the best part? Is tasting the frosting or?
If you just hear something in this video because I'm just watching YouTube.
You're doing a YouTube video while you're watching YouTube. Multitask. Alright.
If you don't know,
Let's do some.
I'm watching Unspeakable.
Let's do some.
He said goat yoga.
Here.
No goat yoga. No goat yoga.
There you go. Look, Daddy's making a swirl.
Whoa.
What?
Oh
We're gonna make a swirl and then pow. All right, so let's show them. Let's show them. Yeah, I know. Let's show them how we decorate sprinkle style.
I already decorated my house.
A little bit of sprinkles. Look at this.
I got chocolate rainbow.
Look at this.
I need more of those.
You got a million of them.
No, I don't.
Let's do it.
I get kind of hard something.
Yeah. Here we go.
Hey, I was about to use that one.
You want to use this one?
I want to use the half chocolate on this half.
You got half chocolate.
Half the chocolate.
What's your favorite sprinkles?
And I need rainbow. Wait, is this vanilla
Yeah.
or strawberry?
It's like vanilla swirl.
Oh, it's vanilla, so I have to use the rainbow.
Oh my goodness.
They didn't make a vanilla sprinkles.
We have chocolate sprinkles. You gotta have a little chocolate sprinkles on there,
No, you don't.
right?
And after you eat them.
Achoo, achoo, achoo,
Achoo.
achoo. Achoo.
Hey! Achoo!
Alright,
Achoo!
alright. You guys ready to see our finished product?
No! I'm not finished.
You're not finished? Oh.
Got a little bit of everything on this one.
A little bit.
The little tiny pigs.
Mm-hmm.
There's tiny pigs in that pen?
I don't know.
Aunt Spable just said that. He said, go yoga. I'm surprised his back is not bleeding.
I know. Which one is you? Are you ready? Are we done?
I think, or we're done.
Okay. So let's show them each donut. I made this one.
I made this.
Check this out. Bam. Asher, show them yours. Show it up close.
Here's my first one.
Yeah.
It's a fully chocolate donut.
Here's my second one.
Here's my second one. I don't know.
Look at this masterpiece.
My masterpiece is right here.
It tastes delicious. Show them yours.
Yeah. Chocolate
Yeah.
vanilla donut. I'm surprised this.
And that's it for our video. That's a Dunkin Donut. Make your own donut kit, I guess. So see you next time.
See you next time. Subscribe to our YouTube videos.
That's right. We're about to smash some donuts.